At Leon's, burgers are a way of life. We dish out over 3 lakh plus burgers every month across all our stores.
When you think of burgers, which brand comes to your mind? Probably it is McDonald's or KFC, because these global giants deliver convenience, speed, and undeniable scale. But this homegrown brand is redefining what it means to be a local favorite. By cultivating a fiercely loyal following, they have scaled to more than 50 outlets across 3 cities. This is the story of Leon's.
A lot of our customers tell us our burgers are the best they've ever tasted, especially in terms of flavor and value. So one common compliment that we always receive is about the juiciness of our chicken and how well the flavors are actually balanced. So back in 2015, Leon's culinary journey sprang to life in the cozy back streets of Jeevan Bhima Nagar, our very first store. So it's all started with 4 childhood friends who shared passion for great food and hearty meals. So customers also appreciate our generosity of the portions and fair pricing. A lot of them say that Leon's is actually their go-to comfort food. The love that we receive from our customers and these feedbacks is literally what keeps us going every day and makes us also want to serve better. Our top 5 dishes are crowd favorites that keep customers coming back for more. So our all-time favorites are the chicken fillet burger, the flame and grilled peri-peri burger, the peri-peri grilled chicken, the chicken doner wrap, and obviously the unbeatable, the hot and spicy wings, which is definitely a must try. Each one is a certified crowd favorite.
In a city like Bangalore that moves fast, lives loud, and demands the best, amidst the competition, Leon's is staying consistent with their values to not just compete but to stand out. They have cracked the code: gourmet taste, quick service, and prices that make you smile.
Our pricing is thoughtfully crafted to strike the right balance between premium quality and everyday affordability. So we factor in, ingredients, the quality, operational costs, portion size, market trends and competitive pricing, ensuring that every item delivers great value without compromising on taste. Our goal is to make gourmet level indulgence accessible to everybody. In a vibrant food city like Bangalore, the challenge isn't just competition, it's standing out while staying true to who we are. With so many new food concepts, we constantly push ourselves to evolve. But what truly gives us an edge is that while trends, they come and go, Leon's has always stayed with consistent and with one thing, that is fresh, flavorful food made from quality ingredients. From a marketing standpoint, we are focused on hyper-local targeting through influencer campaigns, hype-led offers, and seasonal brand activation. We are focused on staying relevant to the youth with fun campaigns and collabs and a strong digital presence, but without ever compromising on the authenticity of what we serve. That's our sweet spot. At Leon's, we run full-stack marketing from influencer partnerships to on-ground presence at college fairs, food pop-ups at motorsport events, and mall takeovers in key cities. An offer worth highlighting would be our annual event of International Burger Day. It's celebrated every May 28th, where all our burgers are sold only at 99 rupees. So this year we sold a crazy number of 13,000 burgers. So Burger Day is extra special for us because burgers are at the heart of everything we do. It's a global celebration of what Leon's does best. Apart from these, we run weekly flash deals and some exciting monthly offers for our chicken buckets and burgers. We also have a loyalty program in place actually, the Grill Club, which has also built strong retention for us. Right now, we have 50 plus stores, and as our expansion plan grows, we aim to hit 100 plus stores by 2026. We plan to ramp up our tech integration like kiosks and build Leon's as India's go-to brand for fresh, bold, feel-good dine-in experience. If you haven't tried Leon's, you are definitely missing out. So if you're ever in Bangalore, Hyderabad or Mysore, be sure to try us next.